you?
Hey, I hear you make great coffee. Hey, somebody tells me that they make good coffee in here.
Oh, awesome.
ready.
Get ready for coffee experience of a lifetime.
This is awesome. Whenever you're around a bunch of RVers, one topic pretty much always comes up around the campfire, and it has to do with our morning ritual of having coffee. Everybody's got a system. Well, this time at one of our gatherings here in Elkhart, Indiana, where we just had a whole bunch of folks, we sat around and we started talking to people, and everybody had the best system. Well, let me be the judge of that. And I'll get some good coffee out of the deal as well. So come on along. Let's see how people make great coffee in an RV. Hey, somebody tells me that they make good coffee in here.
Hi, Mike. Welcome. I'm Bob.
Hey, Bob.
And I'm Alan.
Hi, Helen.
Hi, Mike.
Great to meet you guys. So are you going to reveal the secrets of this good coffee? Because RVers love coffee.
Sure will. It starts with good water, and we use a Berkey water filter.
Tell me about the Berkey water filter. I've heard others who have that thing.
It's a gravity feed. It has two large charcoal filters in the top, and you just pour your
there, yeah.
tap water in it, and it drips down to the bottom, and then the water always tastes the same no matter which parks or wherever we are in the country.
But then how do you make your coffee?
Okay.
Everybody's got a system.
We use this awesome little coffee maker that we found that is very small, fits very well in a Class B.
And this is called?
It's an Nespresso. Nespresso. And it has a water chamber in the back that you refill, and
From the Berkey.
Yeah. And then here you use a capsule, and this is what the coffee pods look like. And Nespresso has a deal where you can return the empty coffee pods and they will recycle them.
This is very good because everybody criticizes us for all those plastic pods that we litter the landfills with. So that's a really good thing, being able to reuse it.
It allows for you to do a larger draw of the coffee or a smaller draw, and you can press it twice, which is what I tend to do because I like the Americano coffee.
Yeah, it's very quiet.
It is quiet.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's really quiet. I like your coffee cup here from our...
Oh, yes.
See, we're going to have a new coffee cup every gathering, so you got to collect them all.
I like that idea.
Yeah. All right, here it comes. Look at that.
It does make the cream up.
So a lot of this, you know, you guys have a Class B, Coachman Beyond. How do you like that, by the way?
We love it.
Yeah, yeah.
We spent 4 months in it this past winter when we were in Arizona and California, and it worked out very, very well.
Yeah.
I think the key to it is not expecting to live in it, but to expect to live out of it.
That is a great point. Want to add to that? Yeah.
No, and we just love how convenient it is to drive everywhere, and it's just like driving a regular vehicle and park it anywhere. And then we love the quality, so it's held up well.
Okay, now what is it doing now?
Okay, I just pushed the button again because I like 2 pushes.
Get a little bit stronger.
And actually probably a little more diluted, but it gives me a full.
Yeah. All right, I'm going to try this. Oh my gosh, that's nice. Smells good. Boy, that is really good. There's no bitterness. No bitterness. I hate to say it, but it tastes like barista coffee. Well, we're gonna have to find a link to that, and we'll put that on our website with the story, a blog, and we'll also link to this Berkey here, this filter that you have. Awesome. Thank you, guys.
You're welcome.
Oh, you're welcome.
I'll do anything to get a cup of coffee. You know? Excellent.
You're welcome.
Excellent.
The other thing we like is that there's such a variety of coffee flavors available for it. So Alan likes a very strong coffee and I like a milder blend, and we can both find something that, you know, we enjoy.
How do you think this is going to work out in the contest here with other people's coffee?
I don't know, but I'm hoping other people like this coffee, and that if you're the judge, that you'll see it my way.
That's pretty darn good. Thank you, guys. Hey, I hear you make good coffee.
I do. I make the best coffee. My name's Ken. Come on in.
All right.
I'm Laura.
Hi, Laura. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. So, oh, I see you guys are serious coffee drinkers.
We are. We use a Ninja coffee system,
Yeah.
and I prefer the Dunkin' Donuts blend of coffee grounds.
Now, I take it we've got some coffee experience between the two of you guys, right?
Yes, I've been a long-haul truck driver for a number of years, and I've had probably the worst coffee you could probably find in America.
Really?
Yes, sir.
So when you started RVing, you say none of that stuff, right?
That's right. We want decent coffee, and we can't live on that garbage from the gas stations any longer.
All right. What is your secret?
Our secret is we have a Ninja coffee system, and we use Dunkin' Donuts coffee because that is my personal favorite.
And also we use the brown coffee filters. They're unbleached. It gives a better taste to the coffee grounds.
Yep, here's what it looks like. Gives you better flavor. No impurities going into your coffee.
Brown, not the white ones.
Correct, brown,
Yeah.
all natural. This is
Yes,
what we
sir.
drink.
Now, if a long-haul trucker recommends Dunkin' Donuts coffee, I think you got to give that some street cred, right?
Right?
Absolutely. And I took a coffee maker in my semi, so I learned real quick to get some decent coffee.
And tell me about the Ninja. What is the Ninja?
So the Ninja, it's a really nice coffee bar. It has the water separate, and so this actual whole thing brews a whole pot. So you don't have stagnant water sitting in a coffee system. If you brew a whole pot, this whole thing goes empty and you have to refill it.
It's right into there.
Yep, it goes right into here. It has a really good filtration system on here for you.
So we're loading that up pretty heavy.
Yeah, we use 3.5 scoops
Yeah.
for a pot of coffee. We like it a little stout.
Yeah.
We don't want that tea.
No. Yeah. There's your settings. Okay.
Yep. So we just
All right,
do the
let's brew
standard
that
brewing.
thing, man. That's awesome. So this isn't a percolator, right?
No, it's not a percolator. It's a lot like a regular coffee pot.
Yep.
It just has an extra filtration system, and then also, like I said, the water doesn't completely sit in there to get stagnant.
How much coffee do you guys drink a day?
I drink about a pot myself in the morning, roughly.
Yeah.
The key to a great coffee cup is you rinse it out. You never put soap in it.
Really?
You let the coffee cup get a nice patina.
Yeah.
And then if you ever run out of coffee, you can just about swirl some hot water in there and make a new cup.
So while we're waiting for that to brew, tell us a little bit about your RVing history.
Well, we have a 2021 Primetime Sanibel couples coach with a bath and a half. We just started full-time 2 months ago. And sometime in September, we're going to meander back to Florida for the wintertime. And then, unfortunately, I'll have to go back to work.
You still long-haul trucker?
I am not. I run ready-mix concrete plants,
Yep.
and we just decided to take the summer off.
Isn't that a nice thing to do?
It's absolutely fantastic. We've been from Florida to South Dakota to Oregon, back to South Dakota, and back here to Indiana. So this is my coffee cup. It hasn't been washed probably in almost 3 years. I only drink my coffee black, no sugar, nothing to grow mold. It gets rinsed out, and there's the patina of my coffee cup.
That is some serious coffee. Yeah, let's put that light on it. Look at that. That's the secret, huh?
That is the secret. There's probably been several hundred gallons of coffee run through that cup.
Okay, Laura, I brought my own cup here.
Oh,
I'm
awesome.
ready.
Get ready for coffee experience of a lifetime.
Look at that. That's strong coffee, I could tell just looking at it. That coffee can almost be chewed.
That's how the trucker likes it.
This is how I drink coffee. I guess it's from newsrooms, you know, and we hang around all these newsrooms. That is awesome coffee.
Well, a good cup of coffee can be its own meal.
In this case, literally, I think. Wow, that is really good coffee. You guys make a good cup of coffee.
Thank you.
Thank you.
One more.
Can I help you?
Hey, I hear you make great coffee.
We do. We make amazing coffee.
All right,
Come on in. We'll show you.
all right. I'm Mike,
I'm Greg. This is Leslie.
and tell us about your coffee making abilities here.
Yeah. So you know,
Ooh.
typically when we're home and working, not out vacationing, it's regular pot of coffee, quick pot of coffee. But what's nice about when we travel is I get to look forward to a French press coffee, which is just amazing. And Leslie does an amazing job of making that coffee, and something really to look forward to when we know we're going to travel. It's kind of a treat.
So what's the secret, Leslie?
Secret is to make it how you like it.
Yeah.
When we first started RVing, I thought, the French press, we're not going to use electricity, it's not going to pull wattage, this is what we need. And it became into what we want. You start your day with intent, with purpose, and you put a little more effort into it, but you enjoy it. You sit back. It became a thing for us that we will look forward to. When you go out camping, you slow down, so to speak, and you spend more quality time doing things. This was just a way to put intent into that.
Let's take a look at this. How do you do it? What is the system here?
The French press, you usually start with a fresh ground. Your choice if you want a dark roast or not. Your choice on how much you use. We grind it before we come. We make sure that we have a nice container to seal it. Then you take the water, it's almost boiled, and you put a little in and you let the grounds bloom. They're going to flower for you and come up and let it develop and escape. And then you pour the rest in.
Wow, I smell it now.
Give it a stir, and you'll see the blooms come to the surface. Now Greg sets the timer.
So you set the timer for 4 minutes, and that's where we go ahead and we start it. And there's 2 sessions of this.
Do you take cream?
No, are you kidding me?
No.
It's
Okay.
against the law to take cream. How long does it take you to make the coffee?
After the water's boiled, 8 to 10 minutes,
8 to 10?
Right.
but it's well worth it.
Yeah. The initial is a 4 minute, and then you mentioned, Mike, you press that down. So after 4 minutes, she'll come in and she'll take some of the foam off the top. She'll show you that, and then press it down, and then, or no, you do it at the end. You wait another 4 minutes, and then you press it down.
Right.
And so it's about 8 minutes, but it is so worth it. To your point, you can start to smell it, and you get excited for it because it is so much smoother, so much nicer of a drink.
Yeah. And if you wake up in the mountains and you want to watch the sunrise, or you're on the coast on the beach, and you take that moment together to make the coffee, sit and drink it, and plan your day. You sit around it as a gathering type of a moment to, what are we going to do today? What are we going to do tomorrow? Let's just sit here and enjoy this. It's something that you don't do on a regular basis when you grab the coffee from the percolator and get to work, or you're out the door, or it's just nothing special. So it became part of our camping routine.
Yep, it did.
If you like a cold brew, then you put this in the refrigerator overnight with your grounds and your water, and let it set, so in the morning you have your cold brew coffee if you like it on ice. So it's versatile.
4 minutes.
Time's up.
All right.
All right, so.
It kind of seeped in there. Ooh, look at that.
So
That's
yes,
coffee
that's,
mud.
You don't want that in your drink, so I pour this out, and you can see it bubbling.
You can make a sandwich out of that.
You can use this, your coffee grounds, in your compost pile as well. It's not bad for the environment. It's used, you know, in certain soils for acidic, exactly. So you can put it on your plants. Then I give it a stir, and then we're gonna wait 4 more minutes. Put this back on.
We will hit the timer again.
Another 4 minutes.
Another 4 minutes.
4, count them.
That's all right. 4.
It's showtime.
It's showtime.
Okay, so the fun part is the plunger. And out comes, where's your coffee cup?
Oh, let me hand you my coffee cup.
Mike comes prepared. He walks up to the door.
Yep, I bring my coffee. Good. Ah, yeah. Okay.
What do you think?
Wow, that's smooth.
It's a pleasure to make coffee for you.
Really smooth. You're awesome.
Love it. Anytime.
I'll be over in the morning about 6:30. Yeah. Wow. Smooth, strong, good and strong. This is awesome. Okay, I'm back at my RV, and I know you want to know, how do I make coffee? Mine's pretty simple. I just use a little Keurig coffee pot that heats up those Keurig pods. I do have some pods where I can put my own grounds in and do it that way too, so I don't have to create all that plastic waste. But doing this coffee test has got me thinking. I liked all 3 of them. I think the best taste came from the French press. That was simply awesome. It takes 8 minutes to make. It's a little bit longer, but it's still nice. The downside with the French press is it'll only make 2 cups. And sometimes I like to have 3 in the morning. I really liked that Ninja Coffee Cafe. That was awesome. And they gave us some great tips, you know, like in using those brown filters, and the Dunkin' Donuts coffee was surprisingly good and smooth. And then of course the Nespresso was really an interesting, especially with that filtered water, and that was pretty fast. So I don't know if I can declare a full winner. They were all good. Maybe I need to go back and visit them all and get another cup of coffee in the morning. But meantime, I'll get this video out. Hey, I'm Mike Wendland. I hope you liked this video. Would you do us a favor, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you have subscribed to the RV Lifestyle channel. If you click the bell icon, you'll be notified when we have new videos online. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as Jennifer says, happy trails.